you want to see how I transform my eye look from this to this, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos. In this video I will show you how you can make your eye look bigger. I got a comment on a video, this is the comment, you can see, I'm not lying, asking how you can make your eyes look bigger, because their problem is that when they apply concealer they make their eye look smaller. Okay, let me just go through all the steps and show how you can make your eye look bigger with makeup, just makeup. The first step is to conceal or color correct your eyelids. You can see that this eyelid is a bit dark, so I need to conceal or color correct it. What I do is that I don't apply too much product on my lid. What I do is that I take a lighter concealer, which is like 2 to 3 shades lighter than my actual skin tone, and I apply that on my eyelid. I will do only one eye for the purpose of comparison, so I will do this eye to make it look bigger, and I will leave this as it is. So let's go ahead with applying the concealer. I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in the shade Pecan, which is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. So let's do that. So now that I have done this, I am now going to set it with the powder. I am taking a loose setting powder, which is the number 7 setting powder. All the products will be in the description below. Take a very small amount and just set it with a brush so that your eye does not crease. You can see already the eye is looking a lot brighter, like the lid is looking a lot brighter. But yes, your point that the eye actually is looking a bit smaller than this eye because we have concealed it. Now let's open it and make it a bit bigger than it looks. Next step is to take an eyeshadow shade which is like 2 to 3 shades darker than your actual like skin tone, like the skin, like this lid. Okay, so for that I am going in with my xoxo extra spice palette with spores so Sof X Revolution Extra Spice Palette, and I'm taking this shade. This is chocolate, no, this is called Cheesecake. I'm taking this shade, if you can see this. So this is a good brown. I'm taking this on a brush and I will dust the excess off. Okay, now notice this. You can see that I have, this is my eyelid. Can you see the mark? That is like the curve, you know. You can see this line. This is my crease. My natural crease is this. Now what I am going to do is that I'm not going to put any eyeshade on this crease. Normally you put your eyeshade on the crease, like in the crease, make it darker. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is just look straight into the mirror. Okay, whatever mirror you have, look straight into that and see where your eyelid makes a curve. Okay, and now go on top of it like this. Can you see this? I've made this mark here, like on top of it. Lightly going to apply this shade over that crease. Do you see this? You can see a little color there, can't you? So it's over this crease. I will try to add a close-up as well. So this is it. And just stop here with your eyebrow and your eye, like making an angle. Stop here. That is done. That bit is done. Now I'm taking this Revolution Reloaded Affection palette, which has all the shimmers in it. It's all shimmers. So I am going to take this shade, this kind of rose gold kind of a shade here. So I'll take it on my finger. You can take it on a brush as well. And I will start applying it on my lid area. Like where I did not apply eyeshadow, that's where I'm going to apply it. Join it to the line where your eyeshadow is, okay? Don't go over the eyeshadow, but just join it where your eyeshadow is. I'm just going to apply it 3/4 of the way. Now we're going to take a shade that is even lighter, which is this, like kind of a white color shade. This is white, not kind, but this is white. So I'm gonna take this, not too much, but just a little on my finger, and just start applying it onto my inner corner, like over here, and take it to this point, like almost to the mid. Okay. Now what you need to do is you got to take a darker shade, darker than what you have already applied. So I'm going to take this shade called Brownies, taking it on the same brush, dusting the excess off, and just with that I'm just going to take it on the outer corner, like this area a bit, not too much, like a bit, just over here on the corner. Okay. Try to make it like kind of into a V. If you can't, then just take the brush, go like a V. This is the easiest way I can say. Like you are taking this darker shade onto the brown shade that you've already applied, and then bringing it towards your lash line, upper lash line. Okay. Biggest thing is that you're not going to apply any eyeliner on top of your eyelash, because that can sometimes make your eye look smaller. If you like a wing, you can just create a little wing at the side, but I would say don't do that. Instead, take a kohl pencil and just apply it on your lash line, like underneath your lash, like lift it up and just take it on here. This will define your eyes. See, it made a difference. It definitely made a difference. Now what you need to do is, like when you're done, just take the pencil and just take it out a bit like this. Then take your finger and just do this, like this. What this will do is, this will take the pencil out a bit. If you can see, now you can attach it to the upper lash. And that is your eyeliner kind of done. You have tight lined your lash. This is called tight lining it. When you are doing your lower lash line, don't apply a black eyeshadow over there, black pencil, like kohl pencil that I just applied on my upper lash. Don't do that on the lower lash, because that will make your eye close down, like look a bit smaller. What you're going to do is, I'm just going to take this to hold my eye down so that it's not like messing my makeup, and I'm going to take this white, you can take a nude or a white kind of pencil, which is this is from Rimmel, and this is pure white. So what I'm going to do is take this and line my lower lash line with this. You see this? It has instantly changed the look of your eye. Now what you're going to do is take the same brush that you did before, and the first eyeshadow, the brown eyeshadow that you took, this one, the cheesecake. You can take any browns, like this is not necessary. I'm just taking this eyeshadow palette because I have it, and I'm just going to apply it underneath, like the white line, like this, right? This will define the white line even more. It's a very underrated step, but trust me, it does work. Okay, I'm taking this Maybelline Sensational Intense Black Mascara. I have always used this, and I'm going to apply it on my lashes. Also, I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line, lower lashes I mean. Just be careful not to put it on the white line that you did. Just a little. If you don't prefer it, leave it. The last step is take the highlighter that you applied on your face already and just take it on the brush, excess off, and just apply it on the inner corner like this. This is going to make your eye look more awake. So I covered this eye with concealer as well to make a comparison. As you said, applying concealer make your eye look smaller. So yes, it does, but you do have to apply the concealer as a base, but do the other steps that I just did, and you will end up with beautiful, gorgeous looking eyes. Now if you want, you can apply eyelashes as well. I do like to apply eyelashes, so I think I will do that. Let's give you the full look. Otherwise this is perfectly fine. If you are not up for that, then this look is perfectly fine. You can just leave it here. I am just going to go ahead and apply eyelashes. You can apply eyelashes only on the outer corner if you want. That will make you that will give you an even open look, like a cat eye kind of a look. If you apply eyelashes just at the outer corner, like cut the eyelashes and you can just apply there. But I'm just going to apply it on all of my eye. There you go. So this is the look with eyelash and this is without the eyelash. You can do either. I will go ahead and apply eyelash on this one as well. So this is it for this video, guys, and I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up and please do subscribe and comment below if you want me to do any other videos on any other thing, and I will be happy to oblige. So yes, this is it for this video then, guys. I'll see you in the next video very, very soon. Thank you so much for supporting me, loving me, and yeah, keep doing that. So yeah, I'll see you next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.